Hey guys, I'm Jay Diaz. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to be talking about finding your home and getting under contract. So in our last video, we touched base on how you and your agent can work together to find some potential properties. For example, setting up an automated email system that is connected to the MLS. And now we're going to talk about seeing the properties and finding one that you like. So rule number one, never fall in love with a property until you've seen it in person. A lot of times clients fall in love with the pictures that they see online, and unfortunately those pictures can be misleading. Sometimes the pictures are either outdated or shot via a special lens that makes it appear bigger or more spacious than it really is. Or the photos can be limiting, only focusing on the best features of the property, ignoring the parts that may cause you to raise an eyebrow or can be a deal breaker for you. So before you fall in love completely, check it out in person. It'll save you some heartbreak. So for the touring process, this is where you want a trained and skilled agent, someone who's equipped to pick apart a house and pay attention to details that maybe the normal consumer may not see or may not focus on. I remember before I started real estate, I would look at a house and be like, oh my God, it's huge, it has amazing landscape, and it's brick. I love it. And now I'm starting to look at houses and I pick apart different things. For example, that roof looks like it's getting old. It looks like it's gonna have to be replaced in the next 2 years. How old is the water heater? Is there water damage? Is there rotting on the siding? These are things that, a skilled agent can help you keep an eye out for. But even so, keep in mind, just because your agent can help you pick apart a few things and take note of a few things, you're always going to want to get an inspection done by a licensed professional. Someone whose job is literally to pick apart a home inside and out. And we'll be talking more about that in our upcoming videos that's going to focus on inspections, so stay tuned. So you've decided on a house and you're like, okay, I'm ready to put in an offer. This is another very important area where you're going to want a skilled agent. You're going to want an agent who is a tough negotiator. When preparing an offer, it's very important to get with your agent and come together and kind of formulate an offer that's going to be attractive enough for the seller, but that's also going to allow room for negotiations to allow you to get a good deal as well. There's a lot of things that go into play, but that's the bulk of it, is having a tough negotiator that's going to work for you and help direct the offer process to help secure the bag. Or in this case, secure the house. Next video will be highlighting inspection and what's so important about that, so make sure to check it out. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, and you can check out my real estate page on Instagram at jdiazrealestate and on Facebook at facebook.com/jdiazrealestate. Thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.